lives around us, and they seem so hard to bear. We must not give up, we must not despair. Let's keep our sights above and look toward the promised land. Salvation is almost in our hands. Rejoice, rejoice, our victory is near. Soon all our tears will forever disappear. Rejoice, rejoice, we're reaching our journey's end. Salvation is almost in our hands. Despite the many sufferings that we must endure, let's keep in mind there's a crown of life in store. Let's raise our heads up high and hold on till the end. Salvation is almost in our hands. Rejoice, rejoice.